Hello my dear students, we all know that we are studying the chapter structure of atom. In the previous video we were discussing about the quantum numbers. There are different types of quantum numbers we were studying. Among those we have discussed about the principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number, how those are represented, and each quantum number gives information about what and what. Okay, and lastly we were discussing about the magnet. In the last part of the video I told about the magnetic quantum number, which is represented by the symbol ML. Okay, magnetic quantum number gives the information about the orientation of the orbital or orientation of the subshell around the nucleus. Okay, we have discussed regarding subshells in the previous quantum number, that is azimuthal quantum number. Okay, azimuthal quantum number gives the information about the size of the subshell. Okay, and also it gives information about the subshell size as well as the shape of the subshell. Yes, the subshell is spherical in shape, P subshell is dumbbell in shape, and D subshell is double dumbbell in shape, that we have studied. Okay, and here magnetic quantum number gives about the information of the orientation of the orbitals in the space, that we have discussed. Okay, and how to write the values for the magnetic quantum number? Listen here students carefully. Okay, for a that point also I have given. For a given value of L, for a given value of L, there will be 2L plus 1 number of magnetic quantum numbers will be there. Okay, when L value is given, what is L? Azimuthal quantum number. When L value is given, we can substitute that L value in this formula to get the values of magnetic quantum numbers. Okay, let us take examples. 2L plus 1 formula. Okay, if L is equal to 0, then magnetic quantum number ML is equal to what? 2L plus 1. Therefore, if I substitute the 0 here, 2 into 0 is nothing but the 0, plus 1 is 1. Okay, this number indicates how many values are there for the magnetic quantum number. This number does not indicate exactly what is the value of magnetic quantum number. Okay, this number just indicates how many values of magnetic quantum numbers are possible. Okay, only one magnetic quantum number value is there. What is that value? To understand that, you have to consider this scale. See, 0, plus 1, sorry, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and so on. Here, this side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. You consider this scale to find out the magnetic quantum number values. Okay. After substituting in this formula, what number I got? I got one number. Okay. That one value is what? Take from middle. That is 0. I know that it is not clear to you, but when I will take the second example, it will be clear to you. Okay. Is it? Okay. I'll take the second example now. Okay. If L is equal to 1, you can write the question. If L is equal to 1, what are the possible values of magnetic quantum number? Write it down. Okay. First, what we should do? Value of L we have to substitute in the 2L plus 1 formula. 2 into L is 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 3. See, this 3 is not the value of magnetic quantum number. It tells how many values are possible. How many values are possible? 3 values are possible. What are those 3 values? See, when you substitute the value of L in this formula and calculate, you always get the odd number, remember. Okay, 3 values are there, you just have to consider the scale. Out of those 3 values, one value is 0. Second value is minus 1, third value is plus 1. Like this 3 we have to consider. So therefore, ML is equal to plus 1, 0, minus 1. Got it? We'll move on if n is equal to 2, what are the possible values of magnetic quantum number? You write it down. What are the possible values of magnetic quantum number? Okay, substitute n is equal to 2 in a 2n plus 1 formula. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we tell what are the possible values of magnetic quantum number? 5 means odd number, middle one 0. If you remove one value from 5, only 4 values are left out. Okay, out of those 4 values you should take 2 from here, 2 from here. Okay, now what are the possible values, students? ml is equal to, okay, yes, first you can write this or this one, plus 2 comma plus 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma minus 2 are the possible values. These are values like putting a graph. Got it? If we put the graph by taking these values, okay, where that graph lies, no, in that space the probability of finding the electrons. We can find out the electrons around the nucleus like this. Okay. Next up, you solve this example by yourself. If n is equal to 3, what are the possible values of magnetic quantum number? Okay, take this as a question and solve this. If L is equal to 3, what are the possible values of magnetic quantum number? Okay, ml is equal to 2l plus 1 is the formula. 2 into 3 plus 1, it gives us 7. Now tell me what are the possible values of magnetic quantum number, students? Okay, 7 means the first one will be 0 and remaining 6, 3 from this side, 3 from that side. So therefore, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, these are the possible values of L. Okay, only thing is you have to understand how to write the values of magnetic quantum number when the value of L is given. Okay, okay. Now I will check how much you have understood. Okay, take down one question. If principal quantum number n is equal to 1, if principal quantum number n is equal to 1, write the possible values of magnetic quantum number. Write the possible values of magnetic quantum number. Here in this problem, what I have done, instead of giving the n value directly, I have given the n value. What I told? If n is equal to 1, what are the values of ml? We cannot calculate directly, isn't it? Before that, we have to calculate L. Okay? When n is given, how to calculate L? When n is given, L values will start from 0 and end up to n minus 1. Okay? Therefore, n is equal to 0. Can I write 1? No, because 1 less than this value I have to write. So therefore, n is equal to 0. Now, we can substitute here and plus 1. Okay? See, if you write only this much, this is wrong. That one value, what is that you have to write? Therefore, ml has a one value, that is 0. Hope you have no any confusion in this. Yes or no? Okay, this is regarding magnetic quantum number. Lastly, let us discuss about the spin quantum number. Okay. As name itself will indicate, the spin quantum number gives information about the spinning of electron. Okay, how the planets will be spinning around themselves as well as they will be rotating around the sun. In the same way, the electrons will also be spinning around themselves and they will be rotating around the nucleus. Okay, this spin quantum number, value of spin quantum number gives information whether the electron is spinning in a clockwise direction or the electron is spinning in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, see, if electron is spinning clockwise direction. Then see, this spin quantum number is indicated with the symbol small s or ms. Okay, I am using the s here. Then value of s is plus half. Remember. Okay. If electron is spinning in anti-clockwise, okay, then s is equal to what? Minus half. Clockwise plus half and anti-clockwise it is minus half. This much you have to remember. Got it? And if it is spinning in a clockwise direction, it is called as spin up, and this is called as spin down. Spin up and spin down. Remember. Okay? And in the orbit, if I want to represent an electron, if I have written like this, what does it indicate? Spin up. This electron is rotating in a clockwise direction. Okay? If one more electron I have written it like this, the second electron is rotating in a anti-clockwise direction. Understood, students? Okay. This is about the spin quantum number. Now take one problem. Yeah, I have written the problem here. If n is equal to 1, write all the possible set of quantum numbers. Set of quantum numbers means for a given electron, we are writing the value for n, value for l, value for m, value for s. Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum numbers, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. We have to write all the 4 values for a given value. Okay, see. The solution for this, if n is equal to 1, okay, I'll write n is equal to 1, n is equal to what? 0. That we know how to calculate. Therefore, mn is equal to what? 2n plus 1 formula, we have substituted 0 here. So, plus 1 and that value is what? 0. Hope you are getting, isn't it? Okay. Then, ms or directly I write as yes. Yes may be plus half or minus half. Okay? Yes may be plus half or minus half. Now we have to write, by combining this all, we have to make the set of values in which no two values are repeated. Okay? One set I will write here, n, l, m, l and s. Okay? See, n is constant, n is 0, m is 0. Okay? And s may be plus half in one case. Okay, second one is n is 1, l is 0, ml is 0 and s may be minus half also. We don't know whether it is spinning in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay. What these numbers are? These numbers are the address of 2 electrons which are present in the first shell. N is equal to 1 means, see, again you recall what we have discussed. Like this, if n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, it is called as first shell. K, L, M, N we had number, isn't it? In the K shell, how many electrons are there? 2, 8, 18, 32. Okay, if n is equal to 1, 2 electrons are there. Okay, what is the address of those 2 electrons? The address of the first electron is n is equal to 1, l is equal to 0, ml is equal to 0 and it is rotating in a clockwise direction. Second electron, n is equal to 1, l is equal to 0, ml is equal to 0 and it is rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. Remember, no 2 electrons in an orbital can have the same set of values for all the 4 quantum numbers. ಯಾವುದೇ 2 electrons ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಇರುವಂತ 2 electrons ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, you 2 neighbors are very good friends. Okay, you come together to the college and together you go to the home. If someone asks you the your address, home address, how you start? Yes, we are from we go to the Fatima College and we have studied in the same high school. Okay, and our street is also same. So street, so and so street you are staying, and house number at least changes, no? 201, mine 201. Like this. These two electrons, all these three quantum numbers are same. At least they have the change in the spin quantum number. Got it, students? Okay, we take a second example. If n is equal to 2, write all the possible set of quantum numbers. Okay, if n is equal to 2, write all the possible set of quantum numbers. Okay. Will you try it? Yes, n is equal to 2 means how many electrons will be there in the second shell, students? 8 electrons will be there. Like how I have written the address for 2 electrons, no? You have to write the address for 8 electrons. And care is to be taken that not any 2 sets have the similar values. Okay, will you try it? Means, see, roughly I am giving an idea. n is equal to 2 means n will be 0 and 1. If you substitute 2n plus 1, that is magnetic one. First you substitute 2n plus 1 here. What will get? 0. N value comes 1. Okay. And again you have to substitute this 1. Okay, it comes 3. Okay. Magnetic quantum number value 1 means 0. Magnetic quantum number value 3 means plus 1, 0, minus 1. Got it? And spin quantum number plus half, minus half. Got it? Okay. Now you have to match each and every value, and you have to write a set of set of values of quantum numbers for 8 electrons. Okay. You try this. Got it? Okay, this completes the study of quantum numbers. Yes, students, hope you have understood everything regarding quantum numbers, which is a very important concept. Okay, the rest of the things we'll study in the next class. Okay, keep studying.